So good morning. I hope you had a good day. So yeah, today we have one more problem to solve. So this will be the step-by-step explanation of this problem with the name Mahasena. So I've already created a detailed description of this CodeChef problem. You can find it in my channel, but this is a step-by-step declaration that how we are going to do this, right? So in a rough nutshell, what basically this problem is, this is a problem where there is an army chief, and he has an army called Mahasena, right? So Kattapa is the name of the person, and he is very superstitious. He think that if the soldier is carrying the even number of weapons, only then they are ready, right? And if they are carrying odd number of weapons, they are not ready. This is what you need to do, right? So if we go there and you will see, if he input one is the number of the test cases, right? And here he entered the number of weapons. So he entered weapon one. So if he enter one, it is an odd number, so it will print not ready. If he enter three, four, that's not an odd number, like two. He entered two. So ready for the battle because two is an even number. And in the third scenario, it will find the sample 11, 12, 13, 14. So from here, he will count how many even numbers are there. So you can see 12 and 14 are even numbers, right? So there are two even numbers and two odd numbers. So since there are two even numbers, so they are equal, so not ready. That's what it is. So if you see this, it has clearly mentioned that if the number is greater than odd, only then he is ready. Otherwise, he is not. Even if it's equal, he is not ready. Right? So we have to follow all these test cases. And if you see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, 2 and 4 is an even number. And how many odd numbers are there? 1, 3, and 5. So he is not ready because odd is greater than even. We want even should be greater. Only then it will print ready. Okay. So let's do this explanation one by one. So we will start with this last one, right? So let's input this 5. Let's input this 5 as an sample. So here 5 is n, right? So you have entered 5. Now here odd and even and weapon also. So here what it will do, I is equals to 0, right? I I 0. So 0 is less than 5. Yes, 0 is less than 5. So it will come here and will ask for the weapon. Okay. For the first, the weapon is 1, right? It will and check whether 1 is divisible by 2. Will it give me 0? No. So it will increment the value of odd 1. Prior odd was 0. Now it become 1. It will come back again here and here. I value get incremented, I plus plus, so it will come 1. 1 is greater than, 1 is less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5. Now the second weapon you have entered 2. You have entered 2 as a weapon, right? Okay. Then you will check whether 2 is divisible by 2. Yes. So what you will do? You will add even. Okay. Now you will come back again here and increment the value 2. 2 is less than 5? Yes. The next number you are entering is 3. Can you see? This is the third number that you are entering. Okay. 3 is divisible by 2? No, it is not completely divisible. So it will increment the value of odd to 2. It will go back again here and will get 3 is less than 5. Yes, 3 is less than 5. True. Here, it will add the value 4. Once it enter 4, then it will come here. 4 modulo 2, yes. So what it will do? It will increment the value to 2. Now once it increment the value to 2, it will come back here. And here it will add the value 4. 4 is less than 5? Yes, 4 is less than 5. It will come back here, and here you have entered the value 5. Okay, 5. Is 5 modulo 2 will give you 0? No. So what it will do? It will be incrementing the odd value. Alright. So since it will go back here, and here it will do 5 is less than 5? No. It will get out from this loop, and here it will check. What it will check? 2 is greater than 3. Is it true? No, it is not true. It will print not ready. So your output will be not ready. Right? So this is the first scenario that we are done. So we just have created, we scanned the number and just a remainder of that, and incrementing the value of even and odd. How many numbers you are entering? That's up to you. Okay? Okay, now let me go back again and let's see the next part of this question. Next sample, how we'll get into sample number 4. Okay. Now, in sample number 4, what he's saying here, he's saying you're entering the value of n as 3. Okay. So, I equals to 0, right? I equals to 0, I less than 3. Alright? And then I is 0, 0 is less than 3. Yes, it will come here. And what it will do? Weapon. So he's asking for the weapon. So for the first weapon is, one soldier is having 2 weapons. Okay, 2. Yes, 2 is divisible by 2. It will give you a remainder. Yes, it will give me 1 as an even number. It will go back again here and it will come here. I equals to 1. Right? 1 is less than 3. Yes, 1 is less than 3. It will come here and it will check. Now here I'm entering 3. So I've entered 3. 3 modulo 2 is equals to 0? No. So it will give me odd number 1. Right? It will go back again here and will do this. Now 1 is less than 3. Now here I value become 2 and 2 is less than 3. Is it? 2 is less than 3? Yes, it will come here and it will ask for another number. Another number is 4. Okay, another number is 4. Now here, 4 is divisible by 2? Yes. So it will increment the value for even from 1 to 2. It will go back again here and will increment the value of I to 3. 3 is less than 3? No. It will not go in this for loop. It will come back here and it will check even and odd. So here 2 is greater than 1. Since 2 is even, odd is 1. So it will print ready for the battle. Yes, it is printing ready for the battle. Alright. So clearly it has been mentioned in this. So same way you can do the output. And also it has been clearly mentioned that if the number is equal, right, if both the numbers like even is equals to odd, even though it will print not ready, that is also mentioned, right? So in this case it is not ready, it should come, it is clearly mentioned it should be greater than odd. Okay, so I think this will clear your concept for this, and try to utilize these terminologies like this. Step by step explanation will be very helpful to understand the concepts. Okay. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with the next and a new video.